it yet. From what I've seen, just kind of looking at other machines, shopping around. It took months, right? It took months to get before we actually got to this point. It took months, right? We didn't think we'd get to this point, but a year later, here it is. I had familiarity from another business partner that had one, and you know, just the use of it, the speed, and how it cuts slabs, efficient for what we do, and we do a lot of production work. It just saves us so much time. The slab mover itself, I mean, that's just an extra right there. I love that thing. And really, I mean, yeah, I like the spindle, knowing that I can make under mounts when I have to on the table. It's a good feature to have. I think that also that I can make, you know, it's 5-axis head. I can make a circular tabletop, whatever I gotta do, oval. Knowing that, I mean, that's a really good feature for me.
I like the vacuum, the slab move.
Oh yeah, definitely.
It's a lot of help for the cutter. The slab here, put it into the car. Yeah, I help a lot.
Separate cuts from each other.
Yeah,
that's a good one. Actually, it's one of my favorites too, actually.